Hello everyone, welcome to the Chinese lesson 3. Today we're going to learn how to ask question. Okay, firstly let's review how to say I, you, he, she. Okay, so 我 I 我 I 你 you 你 you 他 he 他 he and for the she is also 她 she 她 she. Okay, so second page 她 she 我的 possessive. Do you remember? 我的 just put the become mine 我的 mine. 老师 is teacher 老师 is teacher. 学生 student 学生 student. So 他是我的老师 She is my teacher. 她是 She is 我的 my 老师 teacher. Okay, so 中文 is mean Chinese. 中文 Chinese. So how to say English? 英文 English. Okay, so 中文 Chinese. 怎么 how 怎么 how 说 is say 说 say. Okay, 说 is say or speak. So here is the blank something the possessive 的中文怎么说 Chinese how to say. So that means how to say something in Chinese. So it's very useful when you want to asking for some Chinese guy how to say something in Chinese. You can just put the vocabulary in the blank, like car, the car, the automobile car 的中文怎么说 and I probably will answer you car 的中文就是车子 is car. So car 的中文怎么说 car 的中文是车子 is car. Okay, so 请再说一次 Okay, so here we're going to break down 请 please 请 please 再 is mean again 再 again 说 as we already explained 说 is say 说 is say and 一次 is once 一次 is once 请再说一次 please say again 请再说一次请 please 再 again 说 speak 一次 once 请再说一次 please say again. Okay, 慢 is mean slow 慢 is mean slow 一点is a little. In Spanish is poquito. So 一点 a little. So 请说慢一点 Please speak slowly a little bit. So you can explain despacito. So please speak slowly. 请说慢一点 So when you want to ask people to slow down their speaking speed, you just say, 请说慢一点 Please speak slower. I cannot catch you. 请说慢一点 Okay, so here the opposite word to the slow is what? Fast. So 快 is fast. 一点 again a little. Yeah, 一点 is mean a little. So 快一点 So in Chinese we mean is hurry up. So hurry up 快一点 We are going to be late. 快一点 Faster. Hurry up. Okay, so 听 is mean hear. 听 is mean hear. 听不懂 hear no understand. So that means I cannot understand you. 听不懂 can't understand. 听不到听 is still hear. 不 is no. 到 is reach. I cannot reach you. So 听不到 I cannot hear you. 不知道知道 is no. 不知道 I don't know. I don't know 不知道 I don't know. Okay, so here we're going to explain some grammar sentence. So today we're going to say to teach 怎么 and you put the verb is mean how to do. 怎么 put the verb how to do. Okay, first one. 怎么说 how to say. 说 is mean say. So 怎么说 how to say. 怎么说中文 how to say Chinese. 怎么说。怎么吃 how to eat. 吃 is mean eat. 怎么吃 so how to eat. Do you know the Japanese food sushi? So 怎么吃 sushi? How to eat sushi? I probably just reply you just use chopsticks. Can you use chopstick? Okay, 怎么做 how to do. 做 is mean do or make. So 怎么做 cake. How to make a cake. 怎么做蛋糕 蛋糕 is cake. 怎么做 how to do it. 怎么去 how to go. Oh, this one is also useful. You can ask him for how to go to somewhere. For example, 怎么去 train station. How to go to the train station. 怎么去 how to go. Okay, in the end, I want to explain there is a two difference between how and what. 怎么 and 什么. 怎么 is how. 什么 is what. 怎么 is how. 什么 is what. For example, 怎么做蛋糕 how to make cake. 蛋糕 is cake. 做 is make or do. 怎么 how to make a cake. 怎么做蛋糕。这是什么？这是 is this 什么 what is this 这是什么 Alright, so thank you for joining my lesson again. So I hope to see you in our next lesson. Bye bye.